Hello everyone. Welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to practice listening and understanding. Are you ready? Today, I'm going to talk about New Year's resolutions. What is a New Year's resolution? It's a goal or plan for the next year. At the end of the year, some people make New Year's resolutions. They want to have a good year and do many things. Let's talk about some common New Year's resolutions. A common New Year's resolution is to lose weight. Many people plan to lose weight in the new year. This is a good decision. It can help you be healthy. But losing weight is not easy. You have to eat healthy food and exercise. In January, many people go to the gym because their New Year's resolution is to lose weight. But not everyone reaches their goal. Many people stop trying. Another common New Year's resolution is to study more English. This is also a good New Year's resolution. Some people want to learn English for their jobs. If you speak English, you might have better opportunities. Some jobs need you to speak English. Other jobs need you to read and write in English. English is important for many jobs. Maybe English can help your career this year. My goal this year is also to study more languages. Another common New Year's resolution is to read more books. Some people can't read much because they are very busy. Other people are not very good at reading, but they want to improve. Some people don't like reading, but they need to read. Many people want to read more as a New Year's resolution. I think this is a good resolution. I want to read more books this year too. How many books do you want to read this year? Maybe you can read books in English this year? That's a good goal. Another common New Year's resolution is to learn a new activity. This is a fun resolution. There are many activities you can learn. Some people learn a new sport. Other people learn a skill. Learning new things is good. Maybe you can take a class to learn something new. In your city, there are many classes that teach different skills. Another common New Year's resolution is to stop smoking. This is not a fun resolution, but it's a good one. I don't smoke, so I don't need to quit. But I can quit other bad habits. For example, I eat too much sugar. Maybe I should eat less sugar this year. Or maybe I should eat more vegetables. These are good resolutions. There are many different New Year's resolutions. I think this is a good thing because people want to reach their goals. Reaching goals is good. That's all for today. What are your resolutions for this year? Leave a comment and tell me. See you next time.